Good evening, class. My name is Louis Montserrat, and this is my module 4 for this assignment. This is the Evernet project, and in this project, I integrate an Evernet ORM with MySQL into my to-do list application from the previous module class that I have done for this class so far. And the main goal was to persist application data into MySQL database using Evernet instead of storing temporarily in memory. One of the main things that I change compared to the previous ones are, of course, integrate the Evernet XML file as well as 3 new Java classes. We have the Evernet class, for example. This one creates the session factory for the entire application. Then we have the task Deo Java. So on this one, of course, performs the CRUD operations using the Evernet class. And then we have the task .java. So essentially giving the description on how the class will store. There are 2 ways that I can run this code per se. So of course we have running from the actual Java class itself, or you can run it through the actual terminal, which I personally prefer to do it that way. So once we are in the terminal, I want to make sure that my Maven class is clean. So what I do is I click here and I want to make sure that my build success is red, right? Which in this case it is. Then from here, I want to make sure that not just Maven, but also will execute the to-do list app. So right here, it shows that it's running, and as you may see in the bottom, this is the to-do list. So what I want to make sure first is what items does it show on the table stored on MySQL. So as you may see, the list is empty. So we have 3 commands essentially, which is the add to do item, delete to a to do item, and then view a to do item. I already run number 3 just to ensure, and as you may see, there's no data on it. So let's do command number 1, and as you may see, we're adding a item. So I'll just put study Hibernate. Sorry. So we have the item added successfully to the list, and our way to see is number 3, and right here is listed. Let's say I want to delete it, so by clicking number 2, which is option to delete the item, it will ask me to enter the number of the list based on, well, the item based on the list. So there's only one item, which is starting Evernet, which is number 1. So I just type number 1 and item delete successfully. And just to ensure, the to-do list is empty. Pretty easy, but also at the same time was complex to determine, because again we have to integrate MySQL in order to store the item properly on the list. But other than that, it was really fun. I'm really looking forward for the next upcoming project. This is my module 4 assignment, so I hope you guys found it really interesting, and I catch you guys up on the next one. Have a nice one.